Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith. And today's show is called Why is it important to have all selections finalized before construction starts? Let me set the stage. You're ready for the grand remodel, eyes twinkling with visions of a dream kitchen or that personal spa sanctuary. But wait, have you finalized your selections? If not, you might be setting yourself up for more plot twists than a soap opera. Let's dive into why nailing down those choices first can save you from a construction conundrum. First off, having your selections ready acts like a GPS for your renovation journey. Without them, your project can veer off course faster than you can say budget overrun. Knowing what materials, finishes, and fixtures you want allows contractors to estimate costs accurately, keeping your wallet and your stress levels right on track. Imagine halfway through your project, you decide to swap the tiles. Suddenly, what should be a seamless process turns into a scramble that could halt progress, stretch timelines, and inflate costs. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. Every last minute change or delayed decision is a bump in the road that could send your budget spiraling into orbit. Now I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. A reputable contractor will emphasize the importance of selecting everything from paint colors to cabinet knobs before starting the demo. This helps prevent costly delays, ensuring materials arrive on time and fit flawlessly into your design. It's like having all the ingredients ready before you start cooking. It's smoother, faster, and leaves less room for chaos in the kitchen. Sure, uncertainty is as human as breathing, but in the realm of remodeling, decisiveness is key. Locking in choices up front doesn't just prevent delays, it also flexes those efficiency muscles. Your contractor, armed with a roadmap of decisions, can synchronize the team like a well-rehearsed orchestra, hitting deadlines and marching to completion with precision. Let's not forget the peace of mind you'll enjoy. With all selections set in stone, you're free to relax a tad more, knowing there won't be a last-minute scramble for faucets or flooring. You'll witness your space transforming exactly as imagined. A satisfying payoff for pre-planning diligence. In short, securing your selections prior to construction isn't just smart, it's strategic. It streamlines execution, nipping complications in the bud, and leaving you to enjoy a beautifully transformed space sans the drama. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger, and remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all!